Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies at home without brown sugar. To begin, understand that brown sugar's unique qualities come from molasses. We'll replicate this by combining white granulated sugar with a small amount of molasses. This simple trick ensures your cookies will have that classic chewiness and rich flavor you love, even without traditional brown sugar. The key is creating your own brown sugar substitute. For every 1 cup of brown sugar your recipe calls for, use 1 cup of granulated white sugar combined with 1 tablespoon of molasses. Stir these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until the molasses is evenly distributed. This simple blend provides the moisture and distinct flavor that brown sugar typically offers. Once you have your substitute, cream together 1 cup of unsalted butter with your sugar and molasses mixture until it's light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. After baking, let your delicious chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. You'll find they have the perfect soft, chewy texture and rich flavor, just like traditional cookies. Enjoy your homemade treat, knowing you mastered baking without brown sugar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.